Internationally acclaimed artist Sean Kingston's cars was towed away by Repo service at his house in Jamaica. Let's jump in the video right after this. JFS Premier TV with the best video results. Please like, subscribe and share.
I know I'm there at Hill Road and the construction boy. So the man them says about a circle for Sean Kingston machine them. See them there? Really Coupe, Range Rover SVR. The one them go up at the yard, torch and everybody. And just come dig them out of the garage. So I don't know. I want to move the machine them out. I don't know what I'm going.
Get your black one, I want to walk up there.
So what you call it? Soldier them up on the yard. Broke down all the man. Straight and go in, sir. Yeah, no. No, the BMW is free, man.
Grammy artist, you know.
You can't do the Grammy artist like that. I don't think that.
Yeah, well, the BMW money work. All that money work.
So this is what Kingston have to say about that, viewers and sub.
Sounds like a love song. Sounds like a love song. Cause of Wagwan. Yeah, man. DJ Twin. Big up the live. Big up the live. Big up the live. Start the car. We having flavors. We having flavors, man. Oh, that's that Rolls Royce right there. Hey, look at my cousin. My cousin said the car game crazy. Yeah, he said, you like the crib? Hey, you know, we just, hold on. Let me see something real quick. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on there. Yo, listen, fuck you, man. Why you hating on my internet? I had to turn my Wi-Fi off, man. But nah, look though. That's the Rolls Royce, right? I don't even be showing my cars. That's the Rolls Royce. That's the Lambo truck. Now that's the Maybach, right? All right, that's the Maybach. Again, don't do no negativity. Don't call me with no negativity. Don't send me no negativity. Don't do me none of that. Yo, Squash. Yo, Wagwan. Hey, do me a favor. Yo, Squash, come on the live right now for me. Boy, talk about say, send me a link here. Come on the live right now, nigga. I want you. My cousin said, you know the Lambo truck is my favorite. I know you love my Lambo truck. Hey, I just wait till you see what I'm about to do to the rap. Hey, do me a favor. Squash, come on the live. No, man. I make a join the live right now. See me, dog. Come on the live, man. Yeah. Fuck y'all talk, boy. Nobody hide no man, you pick up the bumper clap for you. A 6% I want this one. Yo, well, run for the live. Sounds like a love song. Hey, Squash, answer your fucking shit, man. Go live, Squash. The fuck? Bigs on the rack, she chub, we chub. Bigs on the rack, we chub, we chub. Bigs on the rack, bigs on the. You know, Squash are going like, you know, I don't know that. Oh, yeah, move some Squash, brother. Oh, yeah, going, so. How y'all feeling, man? How's the current team vibes going? How y'all? Squash or dodge? You know, man, Squash good, man. I'm a brother that, you know. And just don't want, you know, the man, they probably don't want to go for any life, but not like still. Yo, listen to me. New music coming. I just been real busy. I just moved to my new house, so I had to get all the furniture because, you know, it's quarantine, so a lot of motherfuckers wasn't really trying to work, so I have to be it. I have to go around the car. I have to be things. What I have to do to make sure the house gets situated on them something. As a man said, so definitely, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely, me that something I deal with that. So I never really have enough time to deal with something like I'm busy. I go and sort out the house, but I get some few calls today about some things that go on and rare. So I have to make them know. Say, yo, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, big house in LA, big house in Jamaica. I'm not calling you no bumbo club. Fuck you. You out? You didn't give me no hug, no nothing? Keisha Cole hair ass, having ass girl. Give me a hug before you leave. God damn. You so motherfucking rude. Call me, drive safe. Call me later, alright? Sounds like a love song. Let me go live real quick. Let me see, man. Somebody said no Aventador. No Aventador. Not yet. You know what though? I ain't gonna lie. I had a Aventador for a little bit, but I don't want to do no Aventador because it's got spin.
Actually, this is a gift for Ruff for you.
Oh, that's a nice gift right there, man. Thank you, man. Look what my manager just gave me, man.
And this is the one for your office.
Okay. Wow.
My
Thank
sister
you.
bought me two, and I got two.
Thank you, my brother. This means so much to me, man.
And Kobe, that's a legend.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it up in my office in my house, man. It's a blessing. Shout out Kobe, man. Rest in peace, Black Mamba. For sure. Yes, sir.
So dunk.
Yep.
For practice.
Yep. Oh yeah, for sure. Damn. Packed up in the car like sardines, man. Look at y'all. These niggas, he's like, let's go. He said, we got some biddies on the way. Hey, yo, one, I'll be back, all right? I'm gonna go get some food real quick. Lock the front door for me. Thank you for this gift, though. I needed this shit, man, for real. I'm gonna read it. I'll be back. No cap. Damn. Well, still ask me about a house in Jamaica. Stop asking me about that. You see $1 million worth of cars, over $1 million worth of cars when we drive here LA. Stop asking me about that, man. Something wrong with my engine. Two of my engine them they fuck up, so when I forget the people them for come tow the car them so they can't fix my engine them. Cause I'm gonna drive them over a year and a half. I'm gonna Jamaica for over a year, so that's the problem. You know, you not move your vehicle, you have to make sure some people come check on them because you don't want the engine them freeze up on you. So that did go on. You know I talk about it no more. Somebody said, rich boy, look. Somebody said, rich boy, I love y'all, man. Back of the back. Yes, sir, Ski. Yeah, we back of the back, for real. Lambo right there, Rolls Royce right there. I just bought that Rolls Royce, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no capping on shit, man. We just don't post shit. This ain't the time to post right here. This is the time to be with your loved ones and to give thanks. This ain't the time to, you know what I'm saying?
What if you got fucking shoppers like a fucking that can get us clothes?
For sure. We ain't nowhere's open right now. I gotta get them Christian Dior shit, them Christian Dior slippers, bro. Let me say, Futa, my brother, and Futa, I got him then. I hear something real simple. I'm gonna see, man, still. Yeah, man, Futa type of family, you know. Futa, big up yourself every time. The man, they are real G. Everything when the man, they say, Lord, the man, they are real bumbuckler G. Big up Futa, man. I'm glad to say dog out of the cage. Yes, blessings and blessings. You don't know the thing going on. Insta, man, come on for this, you know. I love you, man. God bless everybody. Big up the whole of Jamaica. Big up everybody, man. You don't know, you know, man. Yeah, life is great. Futa, where you gone, bro? Oh, it's a Futa there to Lord Cloud. Futa, come here, I try other way that. Let's see dog, God. Let me see. Futa real youth, you know. See him, yeah, see dog, you know. Yeah, man, I add Futa now, man. It'll connect up, man. Don't worry, man. Futa,
Bro,
come,
God,
man.
what go on?
Where the palm, G?
I'm there, man. I'm there. I'm glad you show them what go on, you know?
I can't see that.
I don't know, I saw Instagram I go on with me from there, I don't know.
Okay, but no, listen, Futa. You know, I want thing about me, you know. Remember saying, I want thing, you know. Me not leave out Jamaica now one bit, you know. But guess what? You see the space for me there now right now. not even there. Me not even one day in that space there. The mix up rare. Me not even one
No,
day
but
in
you
that
know,
space there.
Jamaican people stay because once somebody says something where the onlooker, the one side says something, and the whole world are run with what the onlooker say, him himself, they even know what go on. You
But
understand
guess
what
what,
I say?
Footer? It just buy a $6 million house, Footer. But me no need for sure in a LA. But me no need for sure them something. Cause guess what now? At the end of the day, now me know what is what and God know what is what. But here I know. Me just do sometime. Me just have to show some people because me no like wake up to Ray and I'm gonna call my phone and WhatsApp me message all them something. Brother, me I work on Bumbleclad, a huge album right now with Chris Brown and all them people. And me can't bother with that. Oh, this and I listen to Passa. Me no deal with something, brother. Me no like them energy there. So here I know. Me just go up on the live and say, me go on. You might say, me go on talk up some things and squash them and come on the live and Ray. But me don't really care about them something because we don't follow up them something, Footer. You see me I say? Footer, you gone to blood clot. Footer, Footer, you come on, brother. You better not use a Metro PC, you know, Footer.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You feel like a true Sean tell, say him car engine them got messed up, so the people then come to tow it away to fix them, or you believe a Lima tell because he don't want to make it look nowhere. Please comment in the comment section below and let me know, and remember to subscribe to this channel to see more interesting video like this. I'm out.